Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be removing the front bumper on the GT3. I kind of want to do a little bit of a personal touch on this because I want to clean up the radiators to see if there's debris there. There's a grill on the front of this bumper, so I don't think there's going to be too much, but you never know. I don't think anyone has ever cleaned this. Maybe they did when they swapped the bumper, but who knows. So we're going to see what we find out. I kind of want to do a personal touch on the car, kind of, get more knowledgeable with it. So I did say on the last video that I'm going to have a mechanic kind of do all this because I was feeling lazy. But I kind of feel like I have time today. It's not hard. I just, sometimes I just feel lazy and it's one of those things. So I'm going to do it myself this time. Just removing the bumper and then see what we find. Also, I'm going to check out how much parts I can get from this bumper and transfer it to my 997.1 bumper. So it's gonna be exciting. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. So it took a little bit of time, but I got the bumper off. It's off. It's just hanging. But it's a lot of screws. I watched a lot of videos on the 997, but the GT3 is different because a lot of these stuff here is different from the regular 997 Carrera. There's a lot of ducts, ducting and everything. So it's not quite the same. I watched a lot of videos, but of course you can never be prepared until you actually dive into it. The fender liner on the GT3 is extensive. It goes all the way to the bottom. And yeah, right now it's off. It's off right now. So I'm gonna pull it and then see what we see inside. So it's a lot of, like I said, a lot of screws, and it has these pesky clips. And I used the zip tie trick to pull it off. That goes, it goes in here. It kind of locks these tabs in place. So you clip that and it comes off. So all right, we're gonna pull it off and then see what we see. Okay, the bumper is off. So here's the ducting that I'm talking about. This is not 997.1, this is a .2. So I'm gonna have to replace this. As you can see, it's a 2011 model shroud. So I'm gonna have to remove this. I think, so I ordered this one too. I'm not sure if I can reuse this one. I probably cannot reuse this one. So it looks like the third radiator has been replaced. It's not original, CSF. Not a bad thing, but that's signs of mishandling. Maybe you got in an accident or something. Why would you change a third radiator? Maybe you got a hole in it. History of the car, who knows? I'm not really sure what's original here and what's not. So I'm sure it's, because 2007 car, not the first owner. So here's doing the stuff yourself, I guess, gives you some more perspective of how the car was used. And actually, like I said, no dirt in here because of the grill that's on the 997.2 bumper. So that bumper is not in great shape. I'll show you guys, if you guys are, whoever's interested. I'm gonna see what I can salvage from here to replace my .1 bumper, but it's not in great shape. So nothing's broken. It's just that paint-wise, it will need to be repainted. You're gonna have to repaint it anyway because I doubt not a lot of people are having a black GT3 or black car or whatever. It's not very popular. See a lot of skids here. I'm gonna inspect the insides too, see if I can. Yeah, it is OEM. See that right there? OEM front bumper. Yeah, it's the clips. I'm gonna take the, I think I have to take the windshield, the washer for this thing. I think I have to take that. I don't know if that's the same. So that's the stuff that we have to inspect. All right, so we'll take another look at the ducting. So I removed one, which is back here. That's for the 997.2. So I'm inspecting like leaves and stuff like that. I don't see much. A lot of debris fell off. There's not a lot back here either. So I'm still gonna, not a lot, it's just really just debris, just stones and stuff like that, nothing major. So I'm gonna vacuum back there, and I don't even know, it's really dirty back here. So I'm just gonna do my best to clean it up. I really want to, now I'm looking at the suspension here, the stock GT3. Not entirely sure I want to keep it. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure I want to keep it. I might just get the Olins. Yeah, so I don't know. I might just get the Olins because, yeah, looks really beat up. So it's yeah. So that's my thought on that. So that's another project, I suppose. But for now, bumpers off. Yeah, we'll keep moving. All right. All right, so here it is, the 997.2 GT3 bumper disassembled, and I'm gonna put this aside to sell on. I guess someone will need this. So this is it comes with the front. I'm gonna sell it as a set. It's gonna come with the front lip, the bumper, of course, and the turn signals, the radiator shrouds, all the fittings that you need, I guess, in the insides. I'm not really familiar with the 997.2, so if it's gonna go onto a 997.2, I can't speak on that. But this is the bumper. It fit on my 997.1. I'm not gonna include the screws because I need those to put my 997.1 bumper on. So when I post this, I guess whoever's local, this is for them. This information is for them. Yeah, you're gonna have to reuse as much screws that you have. You know, I'm sure you could reuse most of what you have. So this is the LED turn signals is included, so that's a bonus perhaps. And it's in good condition, so it's passable once you clean it up. But of course, it's scratched up underneath, and there's a lot of scrapes underneath that's hidden. So that's it's just dirty. That's just. It's not scratched up on the front. It's just dirty from like bugs. I didn't bother cleaning it because I'm gonna remove it anyway. So there you go. I'm in the process of assessing what else I need to install I'm waiting on what am I waiting on? So I have my turn signals now. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna just mock it up, but I'm not gonna bolt everything on. So for this video, because I'm still waiting on a few parts that comes in underneath the which is the vent frames that I talked about on the previous video. I still need those and my radiator shrouds for the .1, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna kind of hang it onto the front just to see, just to end this video. So I'm gonna put the turn signals onto the bumper and give you guys kind of like a rough look at what it would look like. All right, so upon closer look of what's going on here, it looks like the previous owner or whoever tampered with the wiring. So because they hooked up the 997.2 stuff in the front, the wiring has changed. So for my lights to work, because the 997.2 seems to be using LEDs, OEM, in stock form, so that the connection is not the same as the .1, because the .1 uses bulbs, so halogen bulbs, for their turn signals. So even if I have my aftermarket LEDs, it has provisions for like more connections. So this is the way this works, is that it has like a mock bulb here, but it powers an LED interface there. So I'm missing some leads based on this. So based on what I'm seeing here is that they kind of did some wiring job here. So one of my least favorite things is wiring. This might be something that I might save for the mechanic to tackle, because I don't have the harness, the appropriate harness, so he can order that for me. And what else I need? Yeah, it seems like somebody did a hack job in terms of what's going on here with that. Also, I'm missing the plumbing for the headlight washer, so I can't I was trying to look for that. I was like, why is this bumper coming off so easily? I don't even need to fish out all the tubes for the headlight washer. The headlight washer is not crucial. I don't use it. I don't plan to use it, but I just since I'm back here, since I'm in here now, I pretty much just put everything back to stock, you know, in the proper way. So things like this that are like, yeah, like stuff like this, I might save this for the mechanic to do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna once all the vents, all my parts, the one that I ordered come in, I'm gonna button this up. At least everything is back together. But this turn signal might not work. The front one, the back will work, but you know the front will not work. But everything else will be attached properly and things like that. So I'm just gonna bring this to him. I think it's easier that way too, so I don't have to bring two bumpers to him. It's just the bumper is done. All he needs to do is kind of define fine details and touches like that. So I think this is a better way, still saving him more time and effort. So yeah, unfortunately, this is the way it goes when you buy it used, and the car is old, 2007. So a lot of it's changed hands a lot of times. So there is, yeah, it is frustrating. It is what it is. I did take off the center radiator shroud as well, which is I'm gonna include with the bumper, because that's actually a different part number for my bumper. I checked the part number. This is this one ends in a 9-1. That one, mine is a 9-0, so it's really close. It's slightly different. So this one, like this one's aftermarket. So you can buy this CSF one from ECS Tuning. I don't know, maybe I think he hit something. That's why this whole front end was changed. Alright guys, so I'll just end the video here. So here's what it looks like mocked up. I put the OEM. I bought these a while back. This is the one that's kind of faded, but it looks okay actually. I might throw this on actually. I might just use the bulbs. So keep it more OEM. So this one is a little bit bad, a little more cloudier. So I might just throw these on like OEM and then just change them down the line when I find a nicer condition one. So because this one has really good fitment. It just snaps in, like no finagling or anything like that. So yeah, this is it. That's what it looks like. 997.1. Close the hood for you guys here. Okay. I don't have the upper vent grill yet. And that's what one of those things I ordered. Yeah, I don't have a lot of room here, but go on this side. That's it. It's coming along. Almost back to OEM. That's the front lip. Yeah, it looks, honestly, 997.1 is my preference when it comes to GT3, 997 GT3s. It just, the front of it just looks better. Like, I don't know, like even the lights. So see, the lights have sharper lines on it. The vent opening has sharper lines on it. The old one, let me zoom in, it's a little bit more round and kind of, you know, it's aggressive in its own way, but as a whole, as a package, I feel like the 997.1 just looks better. Maybe I'm just biased. So here it is. There you go. Yeah, I can't wait to put this all together. So yeah, if you guys have any thoughts and concerns, let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next part of this video.